Many of you may have seen the Ozone Gira KT29 mountain bike review on this channel. That bike was purchased on August 22nd, 2020 and returned August 28th, 2020. At the time it was not featured on the Academy Sports and Outdoors website. Today, the bike is featured on the website and available for purchase at select locations for $399.99. The reason that the bike needed to be returned after only 1 week was, it had misaligned wheels, the disc brake calipers were rubbing, the gears were calibrated improperly, and improper tire inflation caused a flat riding around the block. While these are serious problems, it is possible that they were caused by the bike being assembled incorrectly, rather than a design flaw with the bike. For those still in the process of making a purchase decision on the Ozone Gira KT29, don't decide not to purchase it because this one was returned in 7 days, 2 years ago. Perhaps it is just luck of the draw, and when and where you purchase your bike, that will determine your opinion of it. It seems, according to other bike reviews on the Academy website, some people get bikes that they return in a week, call them garbage, give them 1-star reviews, and recommend that you don't buy them. While others get bikes they think are awesome, give 5 stars, and keep for years. Therefore, my recommendation would be to just buy it. Academy has a good return policy if the bike you purchase is defective. However, the bike may be awesome and last for many years. The only way to be certain is to give it a try. A prime example of that is the bike that the Ozone Gira KT29 was replaced with. This is the Ozone Fragment 500, a 21-speed men's mountain bike. It is sold by Academy Sports and Outdoors for $299.99. This bike was purchased August 29, 2020. This is a men's bike that is recommended for riders ages 14 and up, who are between 5 feet 9 and 6 feet 4 inches tall. It has 29-inch by 2.3-inch all-terrain tires and alloy double-wall rims. The bike has front and rear disc brakes, a 3-piece crank, and a 21-speed Shimano Revo twist shifter and Shimano rear derailleur. The bike's frame is aluminum with an overall weight of 37 pounds. The weight capacity for this bike is 275 pounds. It is not a high-end mountain bike and has no branded components. No modifications have been made to this bike, nor any aftermarket components added, with the exception of a more comfortable seat that is occasionally swapped for the stock seat on longer rides. This bike was not taken to a bike shop for inspection when it was purchased, and to this day has never needed to be taken in for repair. The wheels are perfectly straight, giving the bike a smooth, quiet, comfortable ride. The front and rear disc brakes are still firm and provide good stopping power 2 years later, and the brake pads don't seem to need replacing yet. The gears shift smoothly and quietly, and the chain is solid. It has never slipped off or been broken. The tires are well inflated and have never gone flat. Is this a glowing recommendation, advising you to run out and get this bike? Certainly not. On the Academy website, this bike has glowing 5-star reviews calling it awesome, and 1-star reviews calling it trash. This bike has 203 miles on it over 2 years. That mileage is all on city streets and paved trails. It has never been in any kind of accident, nor dropped, or damaged in any way. It doesn't even have scratched paint. The black and green paint scheme and 2.3-inch all-terrain tires give the bike an aggressive off-road look. However, the instruction manual clearly states that this bike is not intended for off-road use, and using it that way will void the warranty. More frequent and aggressive riders will almost certainly need to put more care and maintenance into a bike like this. Overall, the Ozone Fragment 500 is an awesome bike, and if you can get a good one, will serve you well for many years. Thanks for watching.